measure the distance between your vessel and shore. Between your vessel and shore. It's not safe distance. Please heave up your anchor and proceed 1 nautical mile ascend direction.
1 nautical mile?
Yes, ascend direction. Keep it clear from other vessels, at least 6 cables. And you can drop the anchor. Before drop your anchor, inform the airport control directly. Do you copy?
Yes, sir. Before drop anchor, inform the airport control.
Information, vessel will be heading stern of the Minerva vessel, sir. Could you repeat, please? Information, vessel will be heading stern of the Minerva Julie vessel, sir. Stern of the Minerva Julie vessel.
Yeah, okay, Captain. I think you have to stop your engine and you have to make a good leeway for us now.
Please repeat the last message.
You have to stop your engine and start make good leeway for us, Captain, please. For that, you have to turn, you have to make hard to board, please.
Copy, sir. I will stop my engines and hard to port.
The better on starboard or port side?
Gangway is rigged on the port side. Gangway is rigged on the port side, 1 meter above water level.
Okay. By this way, you have to turn to starboard. Hard to starboard, please.
Copy, sir. Hard to starboard and engine stop.
Okay. Captain, do you have bow thrust?
Maybe, sir, we have bow thrusters.
Yeah, okay. You can make your bow thruster to starboard, please.
Bow thruster to full starboard.
Thank you.
Station.
Delta NM, on Delta NM, Tunisian station.
Armada 06, please.
Yes, 06.
Maersk Armada, this is Al-Lukta on your starboard bow for 5 nautical miles, and we are critically reduce our speed. We have a man on the deck to work. Please, can I ask you to pay attention on our vessel, keep clear of us.
Yes, I am paying attention. I have a vessel passing on my port side. I will keep clear of you.
Thank you very much. Nice watch. All the best. Bye-bye.
Okay, back to 16.
Good morning to you. How you would like to pass my vessel? I'm there from the starboard bow.
Yes, I see you. I try to cross on your bow. I will go more to port. I will try to avoid any trouble.
Yes, soldiering more ports to cross the TSS on the right angle.